I am safe in this moment. I am grounded in the present. I am calm, even when things feel uncertain. I am letting go of what I cannot control. I am held by the steady rhythm of my breath. I am gently releasing fear from my body. I am enough, exactly as I am. I am supported by the universe and by myself. I am resilient and capable. I am softening into stillness. I am choosing peace over panic. I am allowing my body to relax and reset. I am okay, even if I feel anxious. I am not my thoughts. I am the observer. I am finding peace in the pause. I am learning to trust myself. I am worthy of deep, lasting peace. I am opening to calm with each breath. I am allowed to slow down and rest. I am anchored in this moment. I am choosing softness instead of resistance. I am welcoming stillness into my nervous system. I am safe to feel my feelings and let them pass. I am letting go of tension with each exhale. I am enough even when I feel overwhelmed. I am allowing space between thoughts. I'm free to return to calm again and again. I am supported by the quiet strength within me. I am allowed to rest when I need it. I am letting peace expand through my body. I am trusting the process of healing. I am coming back to my breath. I am creating space for peace to enter. I am surrendering fear and welcoming trust. I am connected to the steady rhythm of life. I am gentle with myself today. I am calming my body with compassion. I am choosing love over fear. I am allowing my thoughts to come and go. I am safe in my inner world. I am present and grounded in this breath. I am gently releasing the need to be perfect. I am relaxing into the now. I am creating peace one breath at a time. I am surrounded by calm energy. I am letting my mind soften and settle. I am at home in my body. I am open to inner peace flowing to me. I am not defined by anxious thoughts. I am making space for ease in my day. I am gently untangling from worry. I am honoring my pace and my process. I am here and I am okay. I am steady through life's changes. I am safe to pause and reset. I am breathing through this moment. I am listening to what my body needs. I am grounded in the present breath. I am open to releasing anxious patterns. I am supported by the calm within me. I am softening into trust. I am allowing peace to guide me. I am calm in my heart and my body. I am rooted in resilience. I am open to feeling safe. I'm letting go of the need to figure it all out. I am resting into the unknown. I am healing moment by moment. I am stronger than my anxious thoughts. I am safe in stillness. I am gently anchored in peace. I am flowing with the rhythm of life. I am aware, calm, and kind to myself. I am free to let go of fear. I am surrounded by soothing energy. I am choosing inner balance. I am responding with calm and clarity. I am making room for inner peace. I am welcoming silence as a friend. I am confident in my ability to return to calm. I am honoring what I feel without judgment. I am leaning into support when I need it. I am releasing urgency and embracing flow. I am soft in spirit, strong in heart. I am creating stillness in my mind. I am safe to let my guard down. I am steady even in moments of doubt. I am whole and healing. I am giving myself grace today. I am finding quiet inside myself. I am trusting in the calm to return. I am becoming more peaceful each day. I am safe to breathe and simply be. I am okay even when life feels uncertain. I am guided by inner stillness. I am reconnecting with my calm center. I am worthy of inner peace.